This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Caroline McCartney. This spectacular, original owner, riverfront home was built by Birdsong Builders in 2018. Special features include an open floor plan, 6 bedrooms, 4 full baths, upgraded hardwood flooring, first floor bedroom/office/playroom, granite countertops throughout, tile baths, the huge eat-in kitchen with island, spacious open design family room, 2 pantries, stainless steel appliances, gas log fireplace, screened back porch, second floor primary suite, oversized walk-in primary closet, high ceilings, game/media/bedroom/bath on the 3rd floor, tankless water heater, 3-zone heat/cool west/nest thermostats, low maintenance edible garden west/blueberries, blackberries, figs, grapes and gogi berries, professional quality landscaping, a side-loading 2-car garage west/electric vehicle charging station, decorative fencing, and a deep well and irrigation system. Initial open houses 1 to 4 p.m., Friday 4:30.